Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
This shotgun shell loader. I picked this up at Goodwill. I'm going to do a quickie review on this shotgun shell loader, and there's more probably that I don't know about it than what I do know about it. So any of my sporting guys out there that may want to chime in and give me some ideas, tips, pointers, explain to me some of the issues with this. But I'll get you some close-up shots here and show you what I got, because I think this, if it's good for loading shells, that's great. But if there's some issues with it, I think there might be a station missing here, and this will come in handy for a nice little arbor press that I can use around the corner here. And that's why I picked it up, you know, for $5. Why, what the heck, right? So I'll give you some close-up shots here and show you more about this unit. Well, one of the first things I noticed is this right up here is two places to screw jugs on. One would be for shot. It says right here it's stamped shot, and this is stamped powder. So these jugs would screw on, and from what I can see, this tips back like so. Now you can screw your jugs on, and then when you tip it up, otherwise trying to, you know, put your jugs up here and screwing them on, you'd be spilling stuff all over the place. And speaking of spilling stuff all over the place, I want to zoom in here maybe a little bit more, and I'm not too sure about, I know this slides over for shot or powder, right? And it's got a little bushing in here that's got 30 stamped. I think that's 30 grains or grams or something. And so you can put different bushings in here for different amounts of powder. But right here where it comes through, see if I can't zoom in a little better. See here, this tube right here is where it goes down into the shell, but I can't help but wonder with this up like so, I don't know if you can see that, there's a kind of an open area in here. Maybe if I hold that down you can see it better, but with that up it's kind of in the way, but there's an open area there where powder could just fall out and not really go down the tube, you know. So I think there's got to be some sort of a funnel tube or something in here to make that work proper. So yeah, one other thing I happened to notice was I think these two stations here are for driving out the firing pin or replacing the firing pin. And then over on this side it's got a number 12 stamped in here, so that tells me it's for a 12 gauge shell. This here is a cap that I think closes the end of the shell up when you're all done. And this station here is missing. There's a hole right here for something to mount, and it may be to pack the wadding or something like that in there. And so I would need to locate or make something that would fill in that station. So yeah, here it is. The spring seems in good shape, and just a little wobbly, but I don't think that's much of an issue. If anybody thinks that it's any good for its designed use, why great, let me know. Or maybe it's just a piece of junk at this point. So there it is, $5.88 from Goodwill. So yeah, you bet. I'm going to look forward to your feedback on this. You outdoors guys and hunters that load your own shells, why, let me know what you think. But I think it's still valuable as an arbor press right here in the corner. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.